Welcome to Stride DIY. I'm at Lowe's to show you buy one, get one free tool deals today. We're going to start with dewalt today with a 55-piece dewalt drill driver set. They've had these since Black Friday, but this is a deal for $20. I think it's about $4 or $5 off here on this one. They also have a reciprocating saw blade kit for $25. They're saying it's got the tough case as well as 50% tougher, and they've got a few left here, although it looks like a lot of them have been sold. dewalt has a buy one get one free deal here with their Extreme Subcompact series. You can buy one of the oscillating tools, reciprocating saw, ratchet, impact wrenches, task light, hammer drill. They've got all these tools here. These other ones are in the 12-volt aisle. And you get one, when you do that, you get one 12-volt max starter kit for free. Now what that is that's a charger and then two of the batteries. They have these tickets you pick up and bring them to the front to take advantage of this deal here. It's a $129 value. Next up, this is a new lower price. It's $169. It looks like a single battery. This is a 20-volt max 6 amp hour battery 2-pack for $179. For $129, a max 4 amp hour 2-pack battery, and then $99 for the 12-volt 5 amp hour battery kit. 135-piece mechanics wrench set here for $95. It's got a lifetime warranty, quarter, 3/8, and half-inch drives, SAE and metric, and this is from Craftsman with the warranty on this. It looks like this is actually a clearance item. They had a few of these here. I'm going to put a few links in the description as well, so that way you can see some similar items or the equal items. This is a Craftsman overdrive kit for $79, SAE and metric, and they've got the tight torque technologies to help remove like the rounded fasteners. dewalt has another buy one get one free deal here. These are when you buy one of these 20-volt max tools. I'm not going to list them off here, but you can see them there. You get a free 20-volt max power stack 2-pack of batteries. And this is what it looks like here. This is a $179 value. And you can see all the different tools in this roundup here. Next up, we've got the EGO or EGO tools. This is a 16-inch trimmer or leaf blower. And when you buy that, you get a free battery. And this is $299. It's down from $329. I always hope that these tools are going to have a free battery, but it looks like these have price reductions as well. And that's the leaf blower for $299. And just right across here for $599, it was $749. This is their 21-inch cordless self-propelled mower. You get a free battery with this, of course, and this is what the box looks like in the side profile. For $179, it was $219. You get the 15-inch cordless string trimmer. So the other one was the 16-inch. This is the 15-inch with power load technology. They had these out in case you need some weed and feed, lawn fertilizer, and weed control from Stay Green. Now these are the EGO mowers out of the box here. These are the display models, and they're basically $100 off on the original price there. We've got the Toros here. Those are my favorite, but there's no price reduction there. Husqvarna, they've got a 40-volt lawn expert self-propelled rear wheel drive mower down from $949. It's $799. And this has some good runtime. It says 75 minutes of runtime, or up to 75 minutes. This is Kobalt. It's $399. It was $449 for their 40-volt self-propelled mower here, and that's up to 45 minutes of runtime. Skill also has their brand of mowers here, $349. That's $50 off of their 20-inch cordless mower, and that includes the battery and charger. And that's up to 50 minutes of runtime. $249. That was $329. That's their 20-inch mower. I don't see the charger and battery listed on that one though. This is that same EGO deal, just you get the free battery when you buy the trimmer or the leaf blower. Let me know what y'all think. I think these almost look like some weapons out of an alien movie or a sci-fi movie. And that's the charger there. That might just be me though. These are the string trimmers outside of the box here. And this is Husqvarna. They've got their Max series as well. This is for $239. It was $319. This is their 24-inch Hedgemaster, and this is what it looks like here. Outside of the box, they've got their bright orange color, of course, in their controls. The handle did feel really nice, kind of a soft handle, and that's a reduction. It says up to 60 minutes runtime and 24 inches of cutting there. This is their chainsaw for $3.99. It was $4.79. They've got that powerful 7.5 amp hour battery with this one. And I believe this one is I think it's an 18 inch. For $2.99, it was $3.79. This is their leaf blower. It's a 40 volt, and it does include the battery and charger. 200 miles per hour, up to 35 minutes of runtime. And then they've got the warranty on the battery and the tool itself here. And this is what it looks like outside of the box. And Kobalt. Up next, we've got for $2.19. This is a new lower price. It was $2.49. This is their 40 volt 14 inch chainsaw kit with a 4 amp hour battery. So a little bit smaller than the Husqvarna one, but it's cheaper as well. 30-day return if you need to on that one. And next up for Craftsman was $119. It's $99 on their string trimmer. This is a 13 inch string trimmer or weed whacker, whatever you want to call it. This is what the box looks like here, and then this is it outside of the box. So it's got that design, and the batteries slides in the back there. And that's $99. Now Craftsman does have their own deal here. You buy one starter kit and you get a free bare tool. Their starter kit involves the charger with the 2 batteries. Now these are some fire pits. These are just kind of on that middle aisle inside of Lowe's. These are half off. I'm guessing just because of a dent somewhere that we can't see maybe, but I don't see it when I was looking at them. Of course you want to visit the back aisle here. These are the clearance deals. I didn't see anything new. They had some Roundup and it was pouring when I was there, so they had these buckets out. This is the fast track aisle. These have the fast track items. They have new lower prices on these. Basically like they're, little holders that you can put in your garage or basement, whatever you want to do, and they can hold quite a bit of weight. For $37, this is a large shelf, a fast track rail shelf. So that's $37. This is for $22. It was $24. Not a crazy deal, but these are the little bins here you can put into that system when you build it. As you can see, they've got a lot of yellow tag items here. I'm not sure if they're just trying to clear them out or what, but this is a 3 shelf kit. For $79, it was $89. So not a crazy drop, but still a drop nonetheless. These are those, I've seen these since Black Friday. This is a really good deal, $11. This is a 6-panel bulb set. It does come with the deep extension, and it just plugs into a normal light bulb outlet or a socket, and it just increases the light coming out of that. It's a 5-panel for $11, was $29. This is a tri-burst light for, looks like the garage or attic. $35 is their new low price with that. For $25, this is their 5500 LED light. And you can see the before and after. It's pretty intense with the light there. This is a 1200 plug-in light switch. It says a security light, and they're clearing this out. I think for $6, it's 1200 lumens. And then a Craftsman deal here. This is $39. This is their, looks like a drill and driver kit here. I like how they have it sectioned off with the different pieces in the different sections. This is a 140-piece kit. And again, I'll try to put these links in the description for similar or the same items, but this is currently at Lowe's right now. $129, it was $169. This is a Metabo 10-inch miter saw, 15 amps, 3.5-inch cut capacity vertical, and it weighs 22 pounds. So this is the box here, kind of what it looks like. I always like to look at the box as well. But for $129, not too bad for a little saw. This is Kobalt for $249. It was $289. This is a 10-inch compact sliding dual bevel miter saw. It's 15 amps, coming with a 3-year warranty. And you can see in the back here, I'll show you a little bit closer. It has the single and dual bevel measurements and adjustments there. It does come with the collection bag, it looks like, in the back as well. Craftsman for a little bit less is $199. This is their 10-inch sliding miter saw. Looks like a 12-inch cut capacity. It's got the standard pull-out adjustment here, and it comes down, just fine. Nothing's fancy here, but nice miter saw nonetheless. This is dewalt for $249, was $329. This is their 12-inch miter saw. And this is what it looks like here. Pretty standard. It's actually missing a little part in the middle, but this is just the display model. So this just comes down just fine. Has the adjustments on the side as well. I hope this video helped out, guys, and check out this next video, and we'll be making some more videos to come.